My name is Ryan Holden, and I'm an equity seller. We were familiar with the Peraza team for many years, and just following them on social media, we kind of understood the work that they were putting in and the effort that they were putting out for their clients. And we really wanted that same level of effort for our family. The primary audience that we had for our home was going to be on the internet. It was social media. Using social media the way that they do drove interest to our property, and ultimately that led to our home being sold before it even hit the market for top dollar. You know, my wife and I found it a benefit to not have to have an open house, and with the interest that they were able to drive just on social media, alleviated a lot of the concern that we had. The Peraza team does a great job of marketing and pushing things up onto the internet for people to see. If you're looking for a team that is caring, knowledgeable, and experienced, the Peraza team is who you should be working with.